I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin. We talked about this bull trap. Bulls got trapped here, and boy, this support came in handy when you saw this explosive move to the upside. I actually posted this setup as a great way to enter Bitcoin in the trading group. This is, and actually I talked about it to you guys as well, where this green line 25,200 broke. I think we're up about 11% on this trade. The bottom line is we need the Fed to work with us on Wednesday because they're going to raise the rates. Hopefully they don't. Hopefully they pause. They injected $300 billion into the market, the banking market. Like, they're going to back these banks with $300 billion. Huge change, because it was quantitative tightening where the Fed kept just dumping assets onto the open market, dumping $95 billion worth a month. And then this $300 billion injection changed the game. Banging. It would be great if Bitcoin, very bullish if Bitcoin held 26,500. However, coming back down and bullishly retesting 25,200 would be a bullish idea as well. Just don't want to see the bulls lose this level. Otherwise, things start to fade quickly. This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. We saw Bitcoin's been acting like an altcoin. It's up 40% in about 7 or 8 days. Like, bull run ready. This thing is broken out above the key level. Now, if you look at the weekly chart, this giant green candle with tons of volume, breakout volume, breaking the 200 simple moving average, need to close the week above this level, right? We said everything changes because remember, the 200 simple moving average, like we talked about previously, has been the bottom for the panic situation sell-off in 2020, has been the bottom for the bear market in 2019. Now the price action has been below that, but then all of a sudden the Fed injects $300 billion in the banking system, and you got this almost inverse head and shoulders where you want to see prices $30,000, $35,000 Bitcoin. Hey, things are headed in the right direction, but the bulls have to hold this level. You can see previously the bulls, and there's no volume either, right? There's no volume down here. See the bulls kind of regain the level, and then they lost it. That is a bull trap, and you saw massive downside based on that idea. Here, now we've got huge volume, green solid candle above the 200 simple weekly moving average, bull run ready. Close this week above here, hold this level, and we're looking for Bitcoin upside, bull run ready. Let's go. Got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person made $15,000 on Ajax, and I got a setup for you on Ajax in just a second. This person turned $300 into $1,600, 5x his money on these altcoins, like these gem pick bangers, easy money. This person came in the group. He started with $50. He turned it into $5,000. That's 100x. He 100x his money in the trading group in a short period of time. This person paid cash $63,000 for this truck. He's working on a 7-digit portfolio, working to get to $1 million. Finally treated himself to a brand new Chevy pickup, 63 grand, paid for cash. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Anything you need to know about in crypto, it's updated in the group, and I'll make sure you're in the best coins, period. We kill it. Bitcoin dominance pumping. So when I posted this setup, here, I'll even show you. I posted this Bitcoin setup, right? The bullish scenario plays out. Bitcoin bulls need to break above this level, and then you're looking for these upside targets. Broke above this level, and we're up 11% just on this one trade. Also, real quick, what I did post is I'd look for Bitcoin dominance to move higher, and Bitcoin would outperform most altcoins. Okay, so go to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is pumping. This means the money flow, this is the percentage of, if you take all the money in crypto, right? This is the percentage that Bitcoin makes up. And so you see this has increased from 43% to 46%. So money is flowing into Bitcoin, and that's how it works in this market. Like, people FOMO when Bitcoin's moving. People FOMO into Bitcoin. Like, you'll have people that you talked about crypto with, and then all of a sudden they're calling you. They're like, "How do I get in Bitcoin again? How do I get some Bitcoin?" Out of the blue, you start getting these calls. Bitcoin takes off, right? When this rolls over, and if it trends lower, you'll see altcoins get a lot more upside. Okay, this is obviously Bitcoin still drags the altcoins higher, but it does so at less of a pace than when you see Bitcoin start to move sideways. Bitcoin moves sideways, or if it slowly retraces, Bitcoin dominance will slowly retrace or quickly retrace, and then you just, like, this is right here, altcoin season, little mini altcoin seasons, right? We had a huge altcoin season previously back in May 2021, right? And that's this huge move to the downside, right? However, now we just mini altcoin season, hey, we'll take it. I mean, we've been trading the heck out of these Kucoin setups, 45%, 44%, 28, 27, 26, 26, 21. You got pages of double-digit gainers on Kucoin. You've got to be here. VIP link is in the description. Make a Kucoin account, period. Ethereum BTC. Okay, so one way to see if the altcoins are moving well or outperforming Bitcoin or underperforming Bitcoin, this is the performance of Ethereum compared to the performance of Bitcoin. ETH BTC trading pair. If this thing dumps, then Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum. Okay, and so if this thing's trending higher, then altcoins, Ethereum as well, outperforming Bitcoin, right? So this gives you a good indicator of what especially the large caps are doing. Like your small micro cap coins on Kucoin, like it's Genpick City all the time, right? It's just like easiest money you can make in crypto. But when you're talking about the larger caps and how well they're moving, you want to focus on AI. I've got a list of coins that we'll be touching on over the next few weeks that have been outperforming and possibly will continue to outperform Bitcoin. AGIX is one of them. So this is the AGIX website, expanding the AI and AGI ecosystem, shaping the network for AI, building the foundation. Again, very solid AI projects. AI, it's decentralized AI. The breakout level has broken out. You see an increase in volume. The upside target, you could see 82 cents out of this. You might see higher. It has to maintain this level. You cannot, if you do not know how to buy a breakout, just ignore this. Look, you got this rejection. Well, now you're breaking out, right? You're breaking out. So bull run ready. Unless Bitcoin does something crazy, then you're going to get stopped out. Hey, on the next trade. It's just how trading is. Like, this is not predict the future. This is, hey, we're going to use every possible edge we have. I'm going to find the best setups. This is AI. You got ChatGPT. A new version just came out. AI is hot. On Wednesday at 2 p.m., federal funds rate is going to be announced. Banks are getting wrecked. They talked about a $25 billion backstop for the banks. They essentially injected $300 billion for the banks. So this is a major step forward in the bullish case, because all of a sudden Fed jumps in and now they're going to save the banks. And when you get a 25 basis point rate hike, you want to see a Fed pivot here, a Fed pivot. You see the Fed pause, stop raising the rates. Let's get the banks turned around. See the Fed funds rate pause with no increase. Market takes off, stock market takes off. That's the best case scenario. Will it happen? Wednesday, March the 22nd, 2:30 p.m. FOMC press conference. Be ready. Fireworks are coming. It's like the content that I provide on a daily basis. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.